What's up? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Along for the Ride. My name's Mike. This episode is going to be a little different from our normal ones so far. It's not a shop or working on or wrenching project or anything. This one's going to be more of a ride along. About a month ago, my family and I, we went to Palm Springs to get out of the drizzle here. That was April showers. The family loaded up in the van and they shot over to, it's actually Indian Wells, Palm Desert. But I took the bike and I rode through the mountains through the 74. It's the Pines to Palms Highway. It's beautiful. It goes through the mountains there and then drops down into the Coachella Valley. It was a really, really nice ride. I really recommend it. It's pretty amazing. The temperature change was kind of crazy because it started off here. It was pretty warm and humid. I feel like I was riding in a t-shirt and it dropped. I want to say like 20 degrees or something once I got up in the mountains there, and I had to layer up just because it was getting kind of chilly. But I didn't film the whole ride, but just the tail end there, right when you get to the Coachella Valley Vista Point or kind of scenic view. And started right there. You'll see it gets really curvy there, and it made for what I think some fun video. Now, unfortunately, I didn't have a mic or a windscreen or anything for the GoPro, so most of the sound was unfortunately just kind of wind. I'll try to maybe cut into some spots where you could actually hear the engine pretty well, as you kind of duck in between the valley and the mountain face and whatnot. But it was pretty awesome. The wind was just gnarly insane. Some of those turns, not in the video, but getting to that point, it was just kind of blowing me crazy. It had to like turn into the wind and just to go straight. But it was pretty awesome. Anyways, well, I hope you enjoy it. That's enough for me talking, and thanks again for watching.